Of the year. Good night from Detroit, where the Lions win 31-23. Head off to the NFC Championship game. Thanks for a great season, everybody.
Hey guys, welcome to another fun-filled week with Edward Grable Studios. Thanks for watching. This week I'd like to open up with a quote from the great Ace of Base. No one's gonna drag you up to get into the light where you belong. But where do you belong? You belong with Edward Grable Studios. So let me do an artist spotlight on you and drag you up into the light where you belong. Granted, I don't have a bright light per se, but maybe you do, and you can drag me up into the light. Who knows? I'm just trying to help you, help me, help you with these artist spotlights. So if you're artistic, hit me up and we'll make magic happen. Next, I'd like to give a huge shout out to the Detroit Lions. They're kicking butt this year. They're doing great. And nobody likes San Francisco anymore. I mean, they've completely destroyed that city, man. The Democrats have just drove it into the ground. I'm not here to argue about politics or whatever, but San Francisco was an amazing city. I've been there a few times. The 49ers, the only way they can win is by losing to the Lions, because the Lions have never been here. They deserve it. The Lions are going to the Super Bowl. The Lions are going to win the Super Bowl this year. There are so many people who deserve to see this. They've been waiting years, and now we're this close. We've never been this close before. The Lions can't mess it up now. Let's go Lions. So good luck to Coach Dan Campbell this week and the rest of the Lions. Kick the 49ers butts so we can go on to win the Super Bowl later. All right, now let's get inside here and make some things out of wood, shall we? Who's ready for another fantastic week at Sam Buford? I know I am. Morning, Jeff. Good. Got here early today.
Think I'm gonna get in trouble?
Nah, just for the new one.
Yeah, I'm here early today.
shouldn't show his number. Hello?
Hi, this is John. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Edward Grable. I haven't been able to get a hold of you lately.
Just a minute. Did I have you fill out some forms?
Yeah, I sent you a bunch of forms. Dina, the instructor at the school or whatever, she emailed me the thing, and I sent you the list of all the tools that you asked for.
Let me see real quick. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I got all of your emails in one place. Sorry, I'm talking a lot tonight.
It's alright.
Did we, oh, should have all of this taken care of already, but it caught me off guard, so I'm not really sure. Did we have a supplier?
There's different suppliers. Lee Nielsen's one.
Oh, Lee. Okay, I see. Sorry. Let me try. Oh, got it. I know where we're at. Okay. I need to send you a few forms, and we have a different process that we're going to do this through, and I can make sure it's in today, where we're going to have somebody go out and do it for us. We don't have our card, which we did last time. Let me print out these two forms for you, and I will ship them to you. If you can sign them, send them right back. One is requesting it. The other one is saying that you received it. You don't have to sign the one that says you received it. But as soon as you do, we need you to sign it and send that one back.
Okay.
Yeah, let me get these off. It might take a day or two before we can find out how fast they can purchase them. I will make sure that we put this in at the highest priority and see if we can't get these things on their way to you.
All right, thank you.
Oh, no problem. Pardon me. Is it all right if I send you a text?
Yeah, that's fine.
You know that I emailed? Okay. Sounds good. You should receive it in 10-15 minutes.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Bye now.
Bye. So I actually got a hold of him on the phone. I'm surprised. I wonder what the hell he's been waiting for. Avoiding my emails. I caught him off guard, caught him on the phone. He's like, oh shit, I guess I gotta do something here. Alright. Back to the editing. Let's go clean these bad boys up.
cousin from Boston.
Is this one of your drawer runners?
Yeah. The plane's like too big. I'm wondering if I should use my box plane. Oh, there we go.
Fits good. I'm getting there. I have to do this stuff next. I just finished my dovetails for these.
I didn't even have a dovetail because I was gonna do 2 extra drawers.
Yeah.
And then Zach was like, nah, just do these drawers and then just make sure that looks good. Okay. So, but I'm doing my sides in solid wood.
The dovetails fully stress me out.
I understand.
Those ones, the 3-tendon ones anyway.
Yeah.
Now I'm over it. I'm ready to move on to the next thing. Like, I just want to get them out of the way. They're taking me forever. Alright, I'll let you get back to it. Jeff's gonna have pretty drawer faces on his box.
I'm hoping so. Let's see what the dimension is on this top door. It might be out of luck. Two and 3/4.
You got this, make it work.
It'll just make it in here.
Razor thin.
Great.
Your box is coming along nicely. What are you working on, Zach?
Lining up the drawer fronts.
You already had me nervous, like, when I have to come do this. This is like my next step, is doing all the drawers.
Yes, yep. Like I said, I have them all glued up, waiting for the glue to dry before I can plane them.
So this is the same type of wood?
Yes, yep.
Ash?
Yep. All ash.
I'm doing most of mine in cherry.
I like the look of the pronounced grain.
Yeah.
That's why I went with this over cherry. Cherry's got a nice color after it ages.